In this video, we're diving into how you can automate your TikTok comments and DMs inside GoHighLevel to turn casual engagement into real leads, completely on autopilot. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and here on Startup Wise, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter systems that save you time and bring in more customers. TikTok has become one of the biggest lead sources for small businesses, creators, and agencies. Problem is, most people treat it like a vanity platform. They post videos, get a few hundred comments, and then nothing happens. No follow-up, no replies, and definitely no conversions. But now, thanks to GoHighLevel's new TikTok, DM, and comment automations, you can build a full system that automatically responds to comments, sends DMs, and even adds contacts straight into your CRM, all without lifting a finger. So if you're ready to start turning your TikTok followers into actual paying clients, let's jump in. Why TikTok automation is such a game changer. All right, let's be honest. TikTok isn't just for dances and memes anymore. It's become one of the most powerful discovery platforms for brands, coaches, and local businesses. The algorithm gives you free exposure, but if you're not capturing that attention, it fades just as fast. That's where automation comes in. TikTok finally opened up its API for business messaging in late 2025, and GoHighLevel jumped on it immediately, giving you a way to connect your TikTok page directly to your CRM. So here's what that means for you. You can now see every comment and DM inside your conversations inbox in GoHighLevel. You can trigger automations the moment that someone interacts with your TikTok content. And you can respond instantly without sitting on your phone all day. For example, imagine someone comments price on your product video. Instead of manually replying, you can have GoHighLevel instantly respond with a comment or even a DM to them to link to your offer page. That's lead capture in real time. And because GoHighLevel automatically stores that user's info inside your CRM, you can start a full nurture sequence. Texts, emails, reminders, all from one platform. How GoHighLevel's TikTok integration works. GoHighLevel's TikTok integration has two major parts: TikTok DM automation for private messages, and TikTok comment automation for public comments under your videos. Both types of interactions now appear inside the conversations inbox, right next to your texts, WhatsApp messages, emails, and Instagram DMs. That means no more switching tabs or juggling apps. Every conversation from every channel lives in one place. You can reply manually if you want, or you can build workflows that reply automatically for you. And here's the real magic. Every single comment or message becomes a contact record inside your CRM with a full conversation history. This gives you a 360-degree view of every interaction someone has with your brand, whether they messaged you on TikTok, texted you, or filled out a form. Setting up the integration. Before you build automations, you need to connect your TikTok account. So here's a quick setup. First things first, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 14-day trial. And then from there, you can go ahead and make your decision. Again, we'll get that link for you down in the description below. Now, once you've signed up or logged in, go to your sub account dashboard in GoHighLevel. Click settings and then go to integrations and select TikTok. Log in using your TikTok business credentials. Grant the requested permissions, messaging, comments, and profile access. Once that's done, your TikTok profile will be linked to your HighLevel account. You'll now see TikTok appear as a reply channel option inside your workflow builder and conversations inbox. If you manage multiple brands or clients, you can connect multiple TikTok accounts at the sub-account level and filter workflows by account. So to go ahead and grant that permission, we'll come over here to settings in the bottom left, scroll down here to integrations on the left, and this is what we're looking for right here is TikTok lead ads. So go ahead and click on connect and log into your TikTok business profile. Understanding TikTok automations in GoHighLevel. When it comes to TikTok automation, there are two main categories: triggers and actions. So triggers are what start your automation, like someone commenting on a post or sending a DM. Actions are what happens next, like sending a reply or tagging a lead. Here's how each one works. TikTok comment automation. All right, let's say you want to reply to every comment that says something like info or price. Here's the step-by-step. We'll go to workflows, add new workflow, and add a trigger. We'll choose TikTok comments on a post and select which TikTok account or post you want to monitor. Choose between published post, a post that's already live, or a custom post using a TikTok URL. Add your filter phrase, and you can use contains phrase or exact match. For example, if someone comments price, the exact match trigger will only activate if they type that exact word. If they say, can you share the price? Then contains phrase will still pick it up. Once triggered, GoHighLevel will automatically save that person as a new contact, store their username and message, fire off your chosen actions like replying or sending a DM. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how you can get started with that. So we'll come over here to the automations tab, and we can go ahead and click on create workflow here, start from scratch, add new trigger, And here we go, communication, TikTok, comments on a video. This is where you're gonna add filters for like what channel, or if they say something specific. Go ahead and save that. So that is what triggers this, and now we need to create an action. So we can click here, and here we can go to the TikTok interactive messenger. This is how you would go ahead and send a TikTok message. All right, now for the fun part. Add an action to reply and comments, and you can create up to 10 different replies, and GoHighLevel will randomly rotate them so your responses don't look repetitive. Here's some example replies. Hey, just sent you the details in your DMs. Or check your inbox, I just sent the info. Or got you covered, look out for a message from us. Then you can chain that to another action, like sending an actual DM with your pricing or free resources. This is how you turn a comment section into a lead funnel. TikTok DM automation. So if someone messages your page directly, maybe asking about your services or offer, you can have GoHighLevel instantly reply for you. So to set that up in the workflow, we'll add a trigger like customer replied. Under the reply channel, select TikTok. Add filters for keywords or phrases. An example contains phrase price, send a message with pricing info. Contains phrase book, send your scheduling link. Then add the action, TikTok interactive messenger. Here you can write the exact message that you want to send back. For example, hey, thanks for reaching out. Here's our current pricing guide with a link. You can even create multiple steps like tagging the lead, assigning it to a team member, or starting a nurture sequence through SMS or email. It's basically building your own TikTok chatbot directly inside of GoHighLevel. Okay, so we kind of already looked at how to send the DM. Now we want to, if they reply, so we go customer replied, and we could come here to filter. So this is where when you have TikTok connected, which I don't at the moment, you'll be able to select from a different field. Right now it's just a website, and that's how that works. Real world example, turning comments into leads. All right, let's say you're a fitness coach. You post a TikTok that says comment plan, and I'll DM you my free 7-day meal guide. Normally that means you'd have to manually message hundreds of people one by one. But with this step, GoHighLevel handles it all. Someone comments plan. The workflow triggers, recognizing the keyword plan. GoHighLevel replies to their comment, sent it your way. Sends them a DM automatically with your guide link. Adds them as a contact inside your CRM. Starts an email sequence that follows up 3 days later with a coaching offer. That's a complete lead generation funnel, 100% automated. And once it's set up, it runs 24/7. What's supported and what's coming soon? All right, let's quickly cover the current limitations. TikTok Interactive Messenger does not yet support buttons, attachments, or quick replies. Reply type. DM versus comment is coming soon once TikTok expands its API. Templates and media messages will be added in future updates. But everything else like text replies, workflow triggers, comment detection, and contact creation is live and working now. So you can still automate the majority of your TikTok conversations today and layer in advanced features later. Bonus, using Social Planner for posting and analytics. So if you haven't already, go check out GoHighLevel's Social Planner. It's the same place where you can schedule TikToks, view analytics, and manage content across all your social platforms. Instead of jumping between 5 different apps, you can schedule TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts all from one dashboard. Bulk upload videos or posts. Start recurring posts for weekly offers or events. Track which videos bring in the most leads or calls. And here's where it ties back to automation. Every post can be part of your lead strategy. You can use comments like DM me info or drop a fire emoji below as triggers to start your workflow. Then use Social Planner analytics to see which type of video or call to action actually converts the best. That's how you stop guessing and start running a predictable system that feeds your business. Best practices for TikTok automations. Now, before you jump in, here's a few quick tips to keep your automations effective and human. Always test your triggers first. So leave a comment or a DM yourself to make sure that the workflow fires correctly before launching it live. Use casual, friendly language. Your reply should sound like a real person, not a corporate robot. Emojis are your friend. Rotate multiple responses. Don't use the same messages every time. That's how accounts get flagged as spam. Personalize whenever possible. If you know the person's name or what they commented, include that in your response. Follow up on hot leads manually. Now, automation gets the conversation started. A real human should close it. Common mistakes to avoid. So even though GoHighLevel makes TikTok automation simple, there's a few traps to avoid. Not connecting the right TikTok account. So always double check which one is integrated in your sub-account settings. Forgetting to assign new leads. Use automation actions to tag or assign contacts so your team can follow up. Relying only on comments. Some users will DM directly. Make sure that both triggers are set up. No clear call to action in your videos. Your automation only works if people know what to comment or message. If you post videos with no prompts, your automation won't have anything to trigger from. Advanced tip. multi-step workflows. You can chain multiple automations together to create entire lead journeys. For example, the trigger, TikTok comment, info. Action 1, reply in the comment. Action 2, send TikTok DM with a link. Action 3, add tag TikTok lead. Action 4, send internal notification to your sales rep. Action 5, wait 3 days, send follow-up text or email. That's a full sequence. And once you build it once, it works forever. You can even connect it to your existing high-level pipelines, assign tasks, and track conversions from TikTok separately. So TikTok is no longer just a discovery platform. It's a lead engine. And GoHighLevel just gave you the tools to automate that entire process, from first comment to booked call. So whether you're a coach, a local business, or agency, start thinking of TikTok not as a place to post videos, but as a lead funnel that never sleeps. Because the brands that win aren't the ones that post the most. They're the ones that respond the fastest. And with GoHighLevel's TikTok DM and comment automations, you can finally do that without being glued to your phone. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.